Hello everyone, this is Rabbil Hassan. In this session, we are going to learn something very important and very practical about micro AI models that is totally free and open source in Hugging Face that you can run on your own computer even without a GPU. If you are a student or developer or say you are a AI learner and you don't have a powerful machine to run heavy model that is GPU intensive model that depends on NVIDIA CUDA or that depends on huge RAM, huge CPU, don't worry. Those models are very lightweight, fast and perfect for AI learning concept. Let's say you have a personal computer that is including 16 GB RAM and Core i5 processor for day-to-day uses. You can learn those model, you can deploy those model, you can execute those model in your local machine. Even you can use those model for production purposes later. Now first go to the Hugging Face official website. Now I am in Hugging Face official website. Hugging Face has lots of AI models there. About 2.5 million AI models is here. So along these models, some models are very CPU hungry, some model depends on NVIDIA CUDA, but along with those, Hugging Face also has some lightweight model that you can learn, you can deploy, you can execute in your local machine. First, I want to start with Google family. So in the Google family, you can try Google Flan T5 small model. That is a very lightweight model. You can use this model for asking question, getting short answers. And in this T5 model, T5 family model, there is another version that is called T5 base. T5 base is more powerful than T5 small. You can use T5 base model for summarizing your text, following instructions. And in the Google family, we want to explore another model. This model name is Google Vid-based patch. Okay, Google Vid-based patch. This is a vision model. You can use this model for image recognition, detection, image classification. Okay, and beyond the Google family, in the OpenAI family also has some lightweight model, say like GPT-2. Okay, GPT-2 is very lightweight, powerful model that is used for text generation, and more people uses those micro model for their day-to-day micro task. Okay, so OpenAI family, another model that is Whisper model. Whisper has a various version: Whisper Tiny, Whisper Base, Whisper Mini. So you can use for your learning purposes Whisper Tiny model. So this model you can use for speech to text conversion. And after GPT model, I want to go in the Facebook family. Okay, so Facebook family has a model that is named Facebook Resonance 50. Facebook Resonate 50. Okay, you can use this model for object detection in the image. That is also a vision model like the Google model I showed before. This model. Okay, so this model is also very popular. You can use this model for your learning purposes. And Google family, after Facebook family, then Facebook family has another lightweight model that is called Facebook BART. Okay, you can use Facebook BART model, that is actual name is Facebook BART large CNN model. Okay, you can use this model for news summarization. If you put a news text in this model will give you the total summary of the news, not only news but also for any text or anything. You can summarize using this model. And we already finished the Google family, OpenAI family, Facebook family. Let's dive into Microsoft family. Microsoft family has a Phi model that is called Microsoft Phi-3 Mini. Okay, you can run this model in your local computer, Microsoft Phi-3 Mini model. This model is very lightweight and useful model for a smart. Oh, my internet connection going down. Okay, and that's why I can't search I want to just refresh my browser. Okay, I just refresh my browser. Okay, fine. Now search again. That is Microsoft Phi-3 Mini 4K instruct model. Okay, you can use this model for short answering, even for reasoning purposes. So after Microsoft family, I want to tell about the Qwen family, Alibaba Qwen. That is actually developed by Alibaba, maintained by Alibaba. That is Qwen family. So inside the Qwen family, you can try Qwen 2.5 1 billion parameter Tiny model. That is actually a text generation model. You can use this model for text generation, summarizing, reasoning, chat, question answering purposes. Okay, so I hope you already got some idea about micro AI models that you can use for your learning purposes, practical purposes. So this was our complete list of 12 micro models that you can run on your CPU with about let's say 16 GB or 18 GB RAM, and day-to-day uses processor like Core i3 or Core i5 processor. If you are serious about AI development, start with your small model first. I will suggest a small model first, definitely, because I believe that understanding matters more than the size. And last, I want to say thank you, everyone. We will may meet another video with another topic. Thank you.